Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and today we're making a super sweet treat to help cool you down on those hot summer days. This is something that's super nostalgic to me because it was like my favorite ice cream bar as a kid. We're going to be making strawberry shortcake ice cream bars. Super easy to do. All you need is heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, our Crema wild strawberry premium syrup. All you have to do is mix these three ingredients together, throw them in a popsicle mold, let them freeze, and then coat them with the mixture of crushed up shortbread cookies and the freeze-dried strawberries. So let's get started. This is gonna be a super quick, super easy recipe, and I think you're gonna love it. So we'll get started by adding our sweetened condensed milk into our heavy cream. This is just 2 cups, and then this is a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. So let's just dump that in there and make sure we get everything out. And I swear, this recipe tastes so similar to the original ice cream bar. It is absolutely delicious, bursting full of creamy strawberry flavor, which is also why I decided to use our Crema wild strawberry syrup. We do have just a plain wild strawberry syrup, but I just wanted that extra touch of creaminess to it. And if you did want to make this dairy-free, you could use a condensed coconut milk and any kind of heavy cream non-dairy substitute, and then swap out our Crema syrup here for our wild strawberry syrup. So that one does not contain any dairy and it will taste just as delicious. So let's pump in. We have to put 5 pumps of this in. And now let's just mix it all together. So now that we're all fixed up, it's time to fill our popsicle molds. I'm using these metal ones that I found online. I tried this with the silicone molds and I highly do not suggest using those. And the reason that the silicone is a little bit more difficult when making these ice cream pops is because the cream base in this, it doesn't completely solidify. Like let's say if you're making a fruit popsicle, it does turn like hard like ice. So it kind of squishes, I guess you would say, as you're trying to pull it out. It sticks to the sides of the mold. It's pretty difficult. I mean, again, it's not impossible, but something hard like this, even if you have a hard plastic mold, that would be more ideal than those soft silicone ones. So let's get started. So I do have a little bit more left in here, and I did come across these cute little ice cream storage containers. So I'm just gonna make a couple of them to share with friends, family, anybody who wants to give this ice cream a try. Because alone, it is so delicious. Even if you don't wanna make popsicles with this, the mixture of our Crema wild strawberry syrup with the cream base it tastes like strawberry milk. It is so good. Put the lids on. And now I'm going to insert our sticks and lids onto our popsicles. So I'm just going to set these aside and let them freeze for a little bit while we make our strawberry shortbread coating. So next up, what we're going to do is put our freeze-dried strawberries and shortbread cookies into this bag and then just roll them out until they're crushed up. So I'll start here with the shortbread cookies, and I kind of eyeball it. You don't need much. And then if after you crush them up, you need more, you can always just make more. And if you want, I'm using store-bought cookies. If you want, you can make your own homemade shortbread cookies. They're super easy to make. And I'm gonna dump in some strawberries. I'm just gonna use the rest of the bag I have here. Perfect. There we go. Now I'm just gonna roll these out. So it looks like our popsicles are frozen now. So what I'm going to do is take one, I have a cup of lukewarm water right here. I'm gonna dip it in and that'll loosen it up a little bit. So it'll make it easy for me to just pull out. I've also spread our strawberry and shortbread mixture onto a sheet pan, so that'll make it easier to coat our popsicles in. Beautiful, look at that, it came out so easily. What you want to do is just take your popsicle, press it into the mixture, make sure you get all sides here. perfect. Look at that. Doesn't that look like the original? It is identical on the outside. Unfortunately, we don't have that little strawberry filling, but it tastes just the same as this original ice cream bar. These are so good. So I'm just gonna put it here on another sheet pan lined with parchment paper, and we're going to freeze this again for maybe about 15-20 minutes just to make sure everything is really set in there. Let's just continue and finish off all of our popsicles. Our ice cream pops are done. I put them in the freezer for about 15 more minutes. I'm going to give one a little taste right now. See how they turned out. This is so good. I literally feel like I'm 10 years old again. I just grabbed some ice cream from the ice cream truck and I'm ready to go ride my bike with my friends in the summer. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe just as much as I do. If you do make it at home, be sure to let us know in the comments below what you think. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new recipe or tips and tricks. Be sure to follow us on social media at Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Pinterest. See you next time.